Anong alam mo sa climate change? Tara, magtanong tayo. Hi guys, this is Gif. Hi Gif. Ano unang pumapasok sa isip mo kapag naririnig mo ang salitang climate change?
Climate change is a big sector of how our Earth operates. For example, right now, when it's very hot in the Philippines, that's a factor of climate change. For example, right now in Antarctica, the ices are being melted in a drastic rate, which means it's affected by the climate change and how our environment are being affected right now. So climate change for me is how the environment that we live in transponds or responds to the weather.
Thank you, Gif. Thank you.
The world is heating up. The last 10 years were the hottest recorded in the history. Since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have been driving global warming.
Greenhouse gases at record high. Carbon dioxide and methane are at their highest level ever. They trap heat, making Earth warmer faster.
Extreme weather events, stronger storms, longer droughts, deadlier flood. Climate change is making weather more unpredictable and dangerous.
Melting ice and rising seas. Arctic ice is melting at record speed. And as sea level rise, coastal cities and islands are under serious threat.
Ecosystem and peril. From coral reefs to forests, climate change is causing biodiversity loss on massive scales. And when ecosystem collapse, people lost food, job, and homes.
Knowledge is power. Protecting our planet starts with us. Whether it's saving energy, planting trees, or cutting down plastic waste. If we take care of nature, it will take care of us.
Ikaw. Oo, ikaw. Ano sa tingin mo ang may tutulong mo para makatulong sa kalikasan?